How to change your birthday on Roblox. Changing your birthday on Roblox depends on your account age and whether you are under or above 13, and here is how it works. So basically, if you are 13 or older, you can change your birthday yourself once logged into your account. But if you are under 13, then Roblox does not allow you to change your birthday if it makes your account go from under 13 to 13 plus to prevent any age falsification. So first of all, let's simply navigate to the roblox.com. I'm not under 13 on my Roblox account, so it will be easier for me to change my birth date. So now also make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Then all you have to do is inside the Roblox account, tap on the settings or gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then a drop down menu will appear. From there, tap on the settings. Then once you are in the settings, you will be navigated to the profile settings where you can scroll down and you can see your birth date option available. There is pen icon available right next to your birth date. Tap on it, which will let you update your birth date. Now choose your birth date where you want to change it. Then tap on the update or confirm option available there. Then what happens is Roblox will send you a verification code on the email that has been associated with your Roblox account. Open your email account and then all you have to do is check for the verification code and enter here and simply tap on the next or continue option available. So now that is it. As you can see, my birth date has been updated successfully. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.